Hello everyone, welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. I'm Jane and today we want to look at another interesting topic. If this platform has been of great help, do like, subscribe and hit that bell. Let's now join in class with our very own instructor for today's training.
Hello and welcome to Bright Edge Media. I want to start by saying Happy New Year to everyone, and we pray that God preserve us and we celebrate many more. It's such a joy to be here with you again, and today we want to look at something interesting to begin the new year with. So without any time wasted, let's get into today's training. I'll see you in class. Don't go away. Yeah, hello, you're welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel. And yeah, like I said earlier, that we are going to look at some of the AI tools that we can harness for free in 2026 to commence content creation and for the purpose of monetization on YouTube channel. So the first one we want to look at is the one I call Vider AI. Vider AI is the first one, and it doesn't need you to register. All you have to do is just to go to your browser and then you type Vider. So type Vider. Even before you don't type in, it pops up on your browser. Then you click on it, and as soon as you open it, you are good to go. It needs no registration. Not only that, it's an online kind of platform that you can, right there online, you can make use of it without you having to subscribe or register. Okay, so you just open it and then you use as you go. Okay, and like I said, you can generate image for free, as well as you can generate video. You can generate image, text to image. You can also do text to video or image to video, as the case may be. All right, and without you having to pay. But because it's a free version, so you might have some delay, okay, during the course of generation, especially if you are doing that for video. All right, so so this is Vider. So now let's just look at the second one. I will be showing you before the video ends, or some of the things that I was able to do using all these platforms. I tested them, and they really, some of them work quite well without wasting time. Okay, they're able to produce the result, while others took time, and I couldn't just wait any further. Okay, but I'll advise you, if you want to really get the result you know, quickly or as soon as possible without that long delay. Okay, it will work better for you if you will use them at night. All right, so the second one we're looking at is called AI Video Maker. AI Video Maker. So you just go to your browser. Okay, go to your browser and type AI Video Maker. Okay, so you click on it. All right, and then you go ahead and open it. Okay, that's the first one. All right, this is a platform, and it's for free. You can harness the free version. All right, without you having to pay. Okay, but in this case, for you to be able to do that, you have to register with them. All right, and then you'll be able to access it. So you open it and you register with your mail address, all right? And then you can create a text. You can generate text to image. Okay, you can do text to image, and then you can also do video generation. Okay, all right. And so but in this case too, all right, so image and video generation are free, okay, but it takes time, okay, before you can be able to achieve your results. All right, so this is AI video maker. All right, so that is that. And then we have the third one. The third one I call Wan.Video AI. Okay, that's the third one. Wan.Video AI. So this is another platform that you can access. Okay, Wan.Video. All right, so you know there are some platforms where you can get one, all right, like OpenArt, rather, and a few others. Okay, but in this case you have to go to one platform itself, all right, so you can be able to use it. All right, so it also has its own free version that you can use on their platform. So all you have to do is go there and you register. All right, register with them, and as soon as you register with one, they will credit you with 10 credits. Okay, they immediately enable you to earn 10 credits, and with that 10 credits you can be able to generate images for free. All right, now you can also generate video, okay, from there for free. Okay, but that you can be able to do through credits earned. All right, so there are some things you can do there to be able to get more credits. Okay, like if you subscribe in their mailing letters in your email, so if you do that, they will give you 20 credits for free, and with that 20 credits, I think that is enough, because if you want to do any video generation, that will cost you 10 coins. All right, so and for subscribing to their mailing list, they're going to give you 10 credits, so that is enough to be able to at least generate one video. All right, so and then even with the 20 credits they're going to give you, if you subscribe to their mailing list, that is enough to generate 2 videos. And then you can also when you download the app, they also give you, download the app on your phone or your device, they also give you another 20 credits. That's another 20 video. I mean 2 videos you can generate with the free credits that they are offering you. All right, so you can generate image and videos for free on one platform. So but the issue there is that the image generation is quick though, but it's not all that good. Okay, it's not all that good. Of course you are going to have a video generation too, but that takes time. It will take a while. All right, then the next one we're going to talk about is called the Vidnoz AI. The Vidnoz AI, that is another platform you can harness for free. Vidnoz AI, see it's right there. All right, so Vidnoz AI is another platform you can harness, and in this case too you have to register with them. All right, but I actually love this one of all these platforms that you can work with for free. Okay, Vidnoz is one of them. I find to be very, very interesting and good. All right, you can generate free images and videos also. Okay, but they only give 3 daily usage. Okay, that means you can only generate 3 images. Sorry, you can only do generation of images 3 times in a day. After you've been able to generate images for 3 good times in a particular day, you lost come back the following day. All right, But if you want to still continue to generate, it means you have to maybe use a template email address. All right, and by so doing, you can be able to have access to generating more images. But believe me, the things you get there, they are of quality. They have a good quality, even as we're talking about free version. Okay, and the video you're also getting from there, they are good. They're very, very good. So you can generate image and videos for free, and it's timely. It's so quick. It doesn't take time. In the case of AI Video Maker and Vider AI. So in case of Vidnoz, they are very, very quick. The response is doesn't take time. All right, and with 2 daily usage for image generation, 3 daily usage of image generation. And then if you want to continuously generate image, it means you have to subscribe using another email address. You can use template mail, okay, as that will help you to be able to have multiple use of different emails for registration. And then the next one I have is called the Vidu AI. Vidu AI. So you just go to your browser, type Vidu AI. Okay, that is right there. So Vidu AI is another kind of platform you can harness, and the images and videos we're generating from there also are free. Okay, so both image and video generations, they are free. Okay, with limited credits you will earn, okay, from registering and following other instructions. Okay, so you can generate image and videos for free. Okay, but videos and image generations are only limited to credits you earn on the platform. Okay, on a daily basis. Then we have the next one, which is called the Vheer AI. I believe Vheer AI is what we are so used to. Okay, Vheer AI, it's a very common platform to some, and then if you haven't heard about it, this is Vheer AI. All right, so all you got to do is to go to your browser and type Vheer AI, and then you click on the first option. All right, and this is the platform that you can also access for free. Okay, all you have to do is to register. Okay, register with them, and when you register, you have access to generating free image and videos. All right, but I must tell you that in this one, like as I've tried it, okay, the image is generated kind of manageable, but the video is just out of the context. Okay, because at the end of the day, you will see that the hands of the character, okay, it's kind of glitchy, and then it's blurred. Okay, so I don't think it's all that, but you can, for the sake of you generating images for free, you can use it, but I don't think you're going to find it interesting for video generation. All right, and then the last one I want to talk to us about is Grok AI. Okay, Grok is another interesting kind of platform that's so many people are making use of today. Okay, but I tell you, if you can't walk your way around it, you might be finding it difficult being able to use it. And I think presently we're having I think Grok 3, okay, is the one that we presently have. Okay, and you know, of course, if you to be able to access Grok, you have to register. That is the first thing you do. All right, and once you register, you go to settings and ensure you customize the Grok, okay, so that narrate your images and videos just like you would want it. All right, so Grok is another platform that you can generate image and videos for free. All right, so images and videos are generated for free, and the results are with quality. Okay, so well, I want you to go try all these platforms that I have made mention. We've talked about Vider AI, we'll talk about AI video maker, we'll talk about we'll talk about Vidnoz AI, we'll talk about Vidu AI, we'll talk about Vheer AI, and we'll talk about Grok. So I want you to go try all these platforms and check them out, and tell me what you feel. Come back and comment, okay, and tell me what you feel. After this training, I'm going to be leaving the link, okay, of all these platforms that I have mentioned in the video. Okay, I'll be leaving that in the video so that you can be able to go access it for your use. All right, so if you're unable to get it during the course of me mentioning them, you can go right to the video here on YouTube platform, and then you can get the link to each of them. All right, so if you really love what we're doing, like I always say, the only way you can repay us is by liking and subscribing, and then leaving us a comment, okay, and also sharing what you're getting from here. Share with others so that they also can benefit, okay, and also do toggle on your bell notification so you will be receiving other trainings or tutorials that we will be bringing or unfolding to you. And if you would like us to talk about, try as much as possible to leave that in the comment section, and I promise that we will bring that to you in our subsequent tutorials or training. All right, so that is what we'll be wrapping it up for today, and until I come your way again, I remain your very coach. Have a wonderful one, and bye for now.
Welcome back from the training. Hope you learned something in class today. If you're really finding the tutorials interesting, like, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification bell for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.